So it's the last day of 2020. I think we all could use a drink. So over Christmas, I was talking to my friend Eileen about gin. Growing up, I hated gin because my grandma drank a lot of gin, martinis, and her breath smelled like gin. So whenever I smelled gin, I thought about my grandma, who was a great lady, but, you know, don't really want to be thinking about grandma's breath when you're drinking a cocktail. It wasn't until I started flying and I tried some other gins, in Spain particularly, that I actually really started to like gin. I find in Europe, the gin is more citrusy. So this year for New Year's Eve, I'm going to be making a twist on the classic French 75. The French 75 is actually named after a gun from World War I. So, trying to start 2020 off with a bang, guys. Or, I don't know, shoot 2020 in the face. Either one. I don't know. Anyway, so the classic French 75 is a champagne cocktail with gin in it, basically. So, in the classic one, it is, you basically make like a sour mix with simple syrup and fresh lemon juice, and then you mix that with gin, and then you top that with champagne. Instead of making the classic French 75, I was inspired by a gin that I had in Barcelona before all this crazy shit happened. I brought some home actually. It's called Puerto de Indias. It's a strawberry flavored gin, and you can't really find it in the States. I did find something similar, Gordon's Pink. So hopefully it will taste similar. I'm about to find out. So it's lighter, it's got the berry flavors and citrus notes, but it's gin. And it's pink. So that's fun. Alright, so the changes I'm making to the classic French 75 is I'm going to use the strawberry gin. Instead of using lemon, I'm going to try 2 ways. I have these beautiful Cara oranges that were on sale in the grocery store. They have this nice, almost like reddish orange color, and they're just so sweet. And I have limes. So I want to try one with strawberry lime and one with Cara orange. I think the Cara orange might be too sweet to add sugar to, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to try the lime one first, and instead of making simple syrup, I'm just going to muddle some limes together with some sugar. You know, get my frustration out from 2020. So I'm going to only use a little bit. Give me another lime. So once you muddle your limes and your sugar, whoop, we're gonna add some gin. 2, 3. Now I just count to 3 to measure that, but if you want to use a shot glass, you can. That's 2020, so who cares? So then you want to add your ice. So you want to shake this up, but if you don't have one of these metal bartender cup things, just find another cup that can fit on top of it, or you could always stir it to chill it. Alright, so when you place your cup securely on top of the other cup, you're going to shake it up and down. Just a couple times. Oh, that wasn't as secure as I thought. Now you're going to strain it into your glass. Yes, so this way. Tell I'm not a bartender. Alright guys, so now it's time to open the champagne. I'm not using actual champagne. I'm using Poppy Prosecco. you know, for all those poppies out there. I love the bottle because it's just so luxurious and gold. And it's not too sweet. So since we're adding a lot of sugar to this recipe, we don't really want a super sweet wine as our base. So I was lucky enough to take a course on wine in college. So they taught us how to open champagne bottles. One of the things I thought was super interesting was that you're actually supposed to turn the bottle and not the cork. And you always want to keep your hand on top just in case there's a lot of pressure in there, the cork doesn't go flying. So you use the nub or not. Oh, this is gonna come out easy. And I did a quarter turn to the bottle, and this way you don't break the cork. So all that's left is to top it with some champagne. So as a garnish, I'm going to take a twist of lime. And it's really important whenever you do a twist of citrus to actually like twist it. So by twisting it, I'm releasing all the oils. And you can just dust the rim with the oil from the lime skin before you throw it in there. Also, because I am using a strawberry gin, I thought it'd be nice to garnish with a couple of strawberry slices. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing with the orange and see how it goes. Also, when you're muddling, I didn't use the lime or the half of the orange that I got the zest from, because you really do want the orange oil or the lime oil or the lemon oil from the zest in your cocktail. It's not just about the juice. Throw in my gin, remember? 1, 2, 3. Shot. I'm gonna put this on top, try not to make a giant mess. You only need a couple shakes. Alright, so I'm gonna top that with my Prosecco again. And this time I'm going to use the rind of the orange. So that's just a little big for my glass. And again, you always want to twist a twist. I'm going to take that orange oil and rim the glass with it. Throw it in there. Throw another slice of strawberry in there. Even though there's definitely more gin in this one. This one's tartar. They're both really good. I'm gonna drink them both. I really can't say which one's better. They're more similar than I thought they would be. That makes me want to try the original with a lemon. But they're both beautiful. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment for a healthy... It just better be a better fucking year. Cheers.